Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Macro Recorder and click Record to capture your actions. Perform each keystroke and mouse move slowly to ensure reliability. Include pauses where needed and set precise timings for accuracy. Use 500 ms or 1-second delays between rapid actions when necessary. Stop recording when finished and play back once to verify behavior. Save the recording with a clear name and choose an editable format. Keep a copy for versioning and future adjustment. Open the saved macro file and select loop or repeat options from the menu. Choose a specific loop count like 10 when you know repetitions needed. Alternatively, select infinite when continuous runtime is required for testing. Adjust interloop delay to 2 seconds to allow application response time. Enable conditional stops such as ESC key or a pop-up check when needed. Save loop settings and test a short run before full automation. Run a short 3-repeat test to confirm timing and stability before full execution. Watch for missed clicks and increase delays from 500 ms to 1 second if needed. Use conditional checks like window title or pixel color to stop loops safely when tasks complete. Implement failsafes such as ESC key monitoring and log outputs for debugging. Export a compiled macro or schedule the script with Task Scheduler for unattended runs. Monitor first full run and refine time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.